Hey everyone! Moving into a new house can be a big task, but with some planning, it can go smoothly. Today, I'm sharing tips to make moving easier and stress-free. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Just like when we tidy, a successful move starts with a clear vision. Create a moving checklist, your roadmap to a serene transition. Write down all tasks, big and small, needing attention before, during, and after the move. Checking off each item gives a sense of accomplishment and control. Moving offers a chance to reassess our belongings and decide what truly sparks joy. Hold each item and ask, does this spark joy? If it does, it belongs in your new home. By letting go of what no longer serves us, we make space for new opportunities and experiences. Moving can feel overwhelming if left to the last minute. Start weeks in advance by packing non-essential items. Visualize each item's place in your new home. Imagine arriving at your new home, filled with boxes, and easily finding everything you need. That's the magic of clear labeling. Label each box with its contents and room. Use color-coded labels for each room to simplify unpacking. Moving day can be long and tiring, so it's important to create comfort and ease as soon as you arrive. Pack a box with essentials you'll need immediately: toiletries, clothes, documents, and phone chargers. Having these essentials readily available will make you feel settled as you begin to make your new house a home. Our belongings hold both practical and sentimental value. Protect them during the move with quality packing supplies. Invest in sturdy boxes, strong tape, bubble wrap, and packing paper. Using quality supplies respects the items that spark joy in your life. Before you disconnect your electronics, take a moment to preserve the setup. Use your phone to take clear photos of the wiring for your TV, sound system, and computer. Label the cords with tape to identify them later. Amidst the excitement of packing and moving, keep your most important documents safe. Gather passports, birth certificates, financial documents, and other essential paperwork. Keep this box separate and carry it with you during the move. Moving to a new address is an exciting chapter, and it's important to inform relevant parties. Notify your bank, insurance companies, utility providers, and the post office about your new address. Don't forget to update your address for subscriptions, online shopping accounts, and other services you use regularly. Packing is not just about filling boxes, it's about maximizing space and protecting your belongings. Instead of buying excessive bubble wrap, use towels, blankets, and clothing to wrap fragile items. This provides cushioning and makes use of space. As you pack, appreciate the items you're handling, remembering the joy they bring to your life. Imagine the excitement of moving day, only to discover your beloved sofa doesn't fit through the doorway. Grab a measuring tape and measure the rooms, doorways, and staircases in your new home. Note down the dimensions of your larger furniture pieces and compare them to the measurements you've taken. Moving day often requires extra help, whether it's professional movers or renting a truck. To ensure a smooth experience, secure these services in advance. If hiring movers, research reputable companies and request quotes. For a DIY move, reserve a truck that suits your needs, ensuring it's available on your chosen day. Use a moving app to streamline the process. These apps let you create an inventory, track packing, plan logistics, and estimate costs. Amidst the hustle and bustle of moving day, it's easy to overlook our own needs. Pack a separate bag for yourself, with essentials to keep you comfortable and energized all day. Having this bag accessible ensures you take care of yourself. Moving can be an adventure for the entire family, including pets and little ones. Arrange for someone to look after your children and pets on moving day, providing a calm environment away from the activity. If not feasible, designate a safe space in your home where they can relax and play while you pack and move. I hope these tips help make your move smooth. Moving is more than just transporting belongings, it's a fresh start. Declutter and keep items that spark joy. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up and share. Happy moving! May your new home be filled with joy and beautiful memories.